changing the club name in FC24 is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can change your club name in FC24. So FC24 is actually FIFA's latest game, which is FC24. This time, this is not FIFA 24. This time, it is FC24. So for that, you just have to open up your game, and in your game, you have to go to the main menu. So what is main menu? Main menu is the default menu that you get after turning on the game, and there you just have to click on Ultimate Team, or you have to go to Ultimate Team Settings. And in Ultimate Team Setting, and you have to press the RB key or R1 key on your PlayStation controller, or you guys can press C if you are in your PC, or you guys can simply scroll to the right and left by using your scroll. So after that, you have to click on Settings. You will be able to see an option for Settings there. You just have to click on Settings, and there you'll be able to see an option for Rename Club. So you just have to click on that, or you just have to go to that function if you are on your console, and there you guys will be able to edit your club's name. You guys can change the club name, abbreviation, and everything else according to your choice. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can change your club name in FC24. Hope you guys found this video helpful.